But you only have two types of people in this world, those who earn from wages and those who earn from profit. I am here because the People's National Party must realize that there are a set of people who used to make wages, that machine have replaced them. There's a set of people who used to mix cement who are replaced by a premix truck. There's a set of people who used to wash clothes who are replaced by washing machine. There's a set of people who used to chop cane who are replaced by tractors and weed whacker now cutting grass. And so those people must become quasi-entrepreneur. And I'm here because we want a party with a policy to facilitate vending, because the man who used to actually work and is now replaced in a factory is going to look somewhere to sell. And every day.
Respect to all who wipe your glass. All when summer hype and pass. Me love the youths, me not hide and talk. The world leave and road them walk. Respect to all who say.
Select, you know me not like the music team. Because reason we are reason and not jump up, we are jump up. We have to understand that the man who is now selling something or keeping something is similar to the man who have a hotel, because it's an industry for the poor. I am here because I want a party that is going to stand up for vending and stand up for entertainment, because those are now the areas of earning for persons who used to work in a factory. I am here because there's a need for legitimate housing. There's a need for legitimate housing that, based on evidence, have always been provided by the People's National Party. You see, a lot of you don't understand the importance of politics. But politics bring policy. You see, nothing's changed by who have the pen. Look what's happening in America now. You can see the difference between when Barack have the pen and now that Trump have the pen. When Martin Luther King marched, him could have marched all him want if John F. Kennedy never had the pen, them that just send police and beat him. It is important to have the pen. When Michael Manley have the pen, that's how you get equal pay for women. When Michael Manley have the pen, that's how you got no bastard na day again. When Michael Manley have the pen, that's how you get common entrance and access to top schools for persons who weren't very wealthy. When Michael Manley have the pen, that's how you get maternity leave. It depends on who have the pen. When P.J. Patterson have the pen, that's how we get Highway 2000. When P.J. Patterson have the pen, you had more schools built. When P.J. Patterson have the pen, you have more hospital built. When P.J. Patterson had the pen, you had a Rio Hotel. When P.J. had the pen, you have Iberia Star Hotel. When P.J. had the pen, you had an invasion of investment in this country. When the Labour right had the pen, you have Andrew House. When the Labour right had the pen, you had invasion of Tivoli. When the Labour right had the pen, you had the greatest defense of a criminal by a government in the world I've ever seen. And so therefore, I am here because I want Dr. Peter Phillips to have the pen.